Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Wednesday, July 29th. And we're going to take a look here at Snowflake. Now, this was a setup we got into yesterday and then added to this morning. And we were looking for a breakout. You can see I posted it here yesterday on X as well. Again, if you're not following me, there's the name at Trades with Tom. But you can see I posted 11:30 yesterday looking for a pop here. And what we were watching is we had seen this breakdown through pivot low support yesterday, and immediately it turned right back around and popped back up. So buyers stepped in and supported it, which is what you want to see if we're bullish. We want to see buyers stepping in and buying dips like that, and they did it very aggressively, which is also what we're looking for. Then, in addition to that, we have the Windwave Pro on here, and the Windwave Pro is staying green, saying, hey, look, this is still an uptrend, still bullish overall. So what we were watching for is with that aggressive buy yesterday that we saw, I was looking for continuation today and for a breakthrough the resistance on the dailies. The resistance was at 279.50 or 280 basically, which we ended up getting today. And you can see, or as you can see, it popped up fairly quickly and took off. And here's what our position ended up doing. We made about 60% on our calls. Here were our open positions at the time, or after the open this morning. Snow, you can see up 60%. We were up in the $300 Cs for August. They played out really well. So then we closed, took profit on them, and then rolled out to September expiration options to get a little bit more time. And the reason we did that is because now when you roll out and you look at the weekly on Snowflake, we're popping through a lot of weekly resistance here. And this is a long-term breakout that has potential to move quite a bit more to the upside, and I do think that 300 level is on deck in the coming couple of weeks, especially if we can get a close this week above 280. That's been like the level we've been rejecting 4 or 5 times already. So we can get above and hold above 280, which we're doing so far. If we can close above that tomorrow or Friday to end the week, then we should be in good shape for more upside in snow. And I think that $300 level comes potentially next week. So keep an eye on it. Overall, not a bad trade. Once again, if you're not following me on X, it's at Trades with Tom. There's a link in the description below. But I post setups there as well. And you can also follow Basecamp Trading on there. We post a lot of setups there also. But that's it for today. If you want to join us in the trade room, get these trades live like we did yesterday for Snowflake, just go to bctnow.com/join. Again, there's a link in the description below. You can get signed up there. But that is it for today, everybody. I'll see you bright and early tomorrow. It's going to be interesting to see how we finish the day. We have Fed rate decision on deck coming up here in just a few hours. But that's it for now. Until next time, everybody, happy trading.